I've been playing a lot with the bulk create tool in Canva so that I can quicken my creation process and not spend as much time creating content. And I have found a brilliant way to bulk create reels. So I want to show you how to do that. First, you're going to come to Canva and you can either choose create a design, and you actually aren't going to choose a video. We're going to be using animated elements to make the video. So if I were to search for something, I would search for reel, but I would choose the Instagram reel cover so that I can get the correct size and have the right size of a reel. But an even quicker and faster way is to just use a template. And I have provided a ton of templates inside the Teacher Author Brilliance Club, so you don't have to create them yourself. Now, to start, the first thing you're going to do is make sure that your reel is all branded. So I've already included my logo here, and I've already changed these to be brand fonts and brand colors. But to do that easily, I could just make sure I'm on the design tab and click style. And as long as you have your brand hub all set up in Canva and your brand kit, then you'll have your color palette and brand fonts here to play around with really quickly. Now, the next thing that you are going to do is you are going to think of what you want your reels to be about. Now, I want to help you create 52 reels for an entire year. So that would be one reel a week. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up Chat GPT, and I am going to give it a prompt. Think of 52 different things. Maybe it's 52 quotes for teachers, 52 tips for technology in the classroom, 52 STEM ideas, whatever your niche is, think of that. So I'm going to give it a very general prompt. I'm going to say, write 52 tips for elementary school teachers. And then I'm going to present it in a column table format. I'm adding this because if I just said write 52 tips, it would number them 1 through 52. And then I would have to go in and delete all those numbers either in my creation in Canva or before I input the data. So this way that actually eliminates a step, and it actually creates it to look like an Excel format. And so I don't even have to use Excel this way. I can just copy the table from ChatGPT into Canva. Now we're trying to make 52 tips because I want you to be able to bulk create 52 reels for an entire year. You can share one of these, one a week, and have bulk created an entire year's worth of content in just a few minutes. It's actually pretty incredible. So let's go ahead and see what ChatGPT gives us here. Once ChatGPT has generated all your information, you're going to highlight it. And it might highlight these numbers, but we'll be able to delete them in just one quick click. So I'm going to copy that information. It's already in a table format. So when I come to Canva, I'm going to choose bulk create. Bulk create is on my left-hand toolbar because I use it often. But if you don't have it, you'll click on apps, and then you are just going to search bulk create. And it will come up here. It's this first one that says bulk create. And we're going to enter data manually. And then I'm just going to go ahead, make sure you've cleared your table, and I'm going to paste it in here. And then I'm going to right click the numbers to delete the column. So now I don't have all those numbers. Otherwise, they may have shown up on my reel as well. Now I'm going to click done. Then I have my Canva template of my reel with all the fun animations, and I've made it to look exactly like I wanted with my brand's colors and fonts. Now we're going to connect the data. So I want to put the tip right here where it says put your text here. I'm going to right click, connect data, and I'm going to connect it to tip description. Okay. Then I'm going to click continue and generate 52 pages. And now I have 52 different reels. But let's take it one step further because we want to kind of adjust them a little bit. So I'm going to just adjust the font here. Sometimes you have to make sure it's like fitting within your image. So you might have to make it a little smaller. And then just to switch it up to make your Instagram grid a little more visually appealing, you can change each one to be different colors. And again, if you have your brand kit and your brand hub in here, that's going to be really easy to do. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click styles. And because this is a template I've created, I've made sure to include different elements and different like stickers and moving animations that will change color, because not all of them will. So that's one bonus with my templates, is that I'm choosing the ones that you can change colors for, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to just change up the colors here, find one that I like. Let's see, oh, I kind of like that one. So we'll have that one be those colors. Okay, so let's do another one. I just adjusted the fonts here, and I'm going to go ahead and choose color palette. Let's see, do I have, oh, I already used that one. So let's go ahead. We'll do blue. And then if you wanted, you can even go in and manually change up the colors a little bit if you want to. So you can choose, I think I'm choosing right now the animation, and then I can come back here, maybe have that be black. Choose that to be a different color there too, my logo. And then there's fun too. This just makes it a little more visually appealing to your audience. And you can just play around with it and get the colors that you like best. In fact, I think I'm going to want this border to be a different color too. And let's have, whoops, the border of this circle be a fun different color as well. Now, to actually make each one of these a reel that you can save, I would save them somewhere as a file on your computer, or in a file on your computer. So you would download and click share, download, save it as an MP4. And I want you to save, you can save just like one page at a time, is probably how I would do it. And then just click done and download. And then you can save all of those into a folder. And now you have 52 reels. That took what? Just a couple of minutes instead of me spending hours creating reels. And then you can create fun reels with your products and with you in front of the camera for other days of the week. But now you have content that's ready to go that you don't even have to think about. So if you liked this video, make sure to follow along with more, and also join the Teacher Author Brilliance Club. We do weekly live calls, we have challenges, we have lots of different courses, and there's new content and templates and courses even being added continually all the time. So just make sure to join. We'd love to have you.